This video is about how to create a wall in Revit. Okay. Before that, I will show this is the model I created. I'm going to create a boundary wall. Okay. Let's see. To create a wall, first you have to go into this architecture tab and select the wall tool. I select the wall tool, and under the properties panel you can see that the wall we can change the wall type. There are many wall types in the default template, and you can see that these are the wall types. This is 6 inches wall, 8 inches wall, like that. I select 8 inches wall. When I create a wall, what is the base location and the top location of the wall? How we can change that? Okay. Delete this created walls and again select the wall tool. You can see that under the properties panel, base constraint and top constraints are there. Base constraint means this is the bottom level of the wall we are created, and the top constraint is up to the first floor level here. You can change the top constraint by using this arrow. Okay, I'm going to create from ground level to first floor level. Now I create walls like this. Okay, let's see. This button is used to see the 3D views. And you can see that these three walls are now newly created walls. Okay, thank you.